Hello everyone, bloody RedFlame here. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create AI commercials like this just from one of few reference images, and we will build everything together using an AI workflow I created. And I will also show you how to quickly create a consistent character and structure the whole creative process inside one connected system. So let's jump in. So here is our workflow, and I will show you how you can use it and implement for any product, any brand on this specialized bike commercial. And at first this workflow can look complicated, but believe me, this way of AI creation, content creation, is much faster, more efficient and cost-effective than any other method available on the market. And the first and biggest benefit is that you have everything here inside one canvas. You have a full control, you can automate things, you can scale your content, and this is what exactly big brands are looking for, not only for creators who generate you pictures or videos, but who can build and work with these kind of workflows. And as you see, our workflow consists of different parts. For example, the first one, here we just drop our images, 1, 2, 3, it doesn't matter. And the logic here using these nodes inside Canvas is that we have to connect our image, for example, to Nano Banana node. If I type in here, for example, I choose Nano Banana Pro, so if I want to generate something from this image, I have to connect it. And here we have two inputs. I just input the text, our prompt, our image, and hit run. I click on the model, I choose some options, for example, resolution, aspect ratio, and hit run model, and then we get the result. So the same logic is here. For example, our input image is connected to Nano Banana Pro node in this part, you see, and we generated this image right here, and we just drop our images right here, we just drag them on the canvas, and now we just can connect it to any AI model. And before we move on, I want to create a consistent character for our ad first. So here is our Nano Banana Pro node, and here we have a prompt that says to Nano Banana Pro it is connected, to generate this grid, right? And we just have to type in our character description right here. For example, realistic adult male, road cyclist, around 30 years old. Okay, I write the description, hit run model, and we get this kind of result. Now our photos of our product and our cyclist are connected to other Nano Banana node, right? Now we want to get the environment, the style of our ad, and I created this picture. I tried different ones, having these mountains, clouds, serpentine in the mountains to be our visual anchor. And here in this prompt section, I just paste my prompt, connected to Nano Banana, click run model, and get this result. And then this result I connect to our video model generator, for example, Seedance, right? So this image is connected right here. Also, our product image is connected to Seedance node. This is a Seedance node. Then we just paste our prompt and hit run model, and we get the video result. And here is our final output. And actually, this is a generation which was generated by Seedance in one take. Of course, if I want to enhance the video, I can generate several videos and then edit them inside Premiere Pro in editing software. And you see, this kind of system saves you a lot of time, because you have just to input your images right here, write the description of your character, generate it, paste your prompt for your styling image, right? And paste the prompt for your video generation and click run model. And also you can automate script creation inside the workflow. For example, in this workflow, script generation is automated, and we just have to describe our idea, and this system prompts, it helps LLM, we can choose GPT, Gemini or Claude. It generates a script automatically, and this AI ad creation can be all fully automated. And in this workflow, for example, we drag our images, we create our scripts right here automatically or manually, we create our character, we connect them to, for example, to GPT image 2, and we create a storyboard. And this storyboard creation is also automated. And we use storyboard to animate our AI ad, and we use also Seedance 2 or Seedance 2.5. And you see, you're saving so much time and effort just having a proper workflow for a certain task. And another example of photo shoot workflow where we just create an army of models, we drag our fashion items right here and we just choose any model. Out of these 6 we can create even more, and we just put all these clothes on our model, and then we create different angles of our different fashion items, you see, and we can have as many as we wish. And imagine that you can create or use this workflow and sell it to the client. This kind of workflow can be sold at minimum at $2,500. You just give it to a client where he needs only to input his clothes right here, write the description of his company right here, and generate his models. And then he can have all these photo shoots, all these lookbooks for his brand. Another type of workflow where you just input your image with your character, or you can create the character, you create this grid, you extract the shots, and you have all these multiple angles which you can animate them afterwards using Kling, using Seedance, whatever. So you see, any kind of idea you can imagine can be systemized and structured inside Weavy, and this skill is where the real value is. These workflows, it is an untapped opportunity on the market right now. If you master it, you can make so much more money, not building only AI visuals. And if you're a brand, using these workflows for your company will benefit you a lot, believe me. And you can build full marketing campaigns here inside Weavy. And most beginners, they struggle not with the creativity, but with the structure, with the workflows. And workflows like this let you to create more consistent, faster and cheaper results. And also, I'm sharing this workflow below this video, so you can go, duplicate it and test it. And my recommendation is simple: don't try to rebuild everything, just change your impulse, run models and understand how it works. And that's the fastest way to learn. And if you wanna go deeper, I created this space, RedFlame portal, for all the creators, brands, teams, beginners, professionals to master all these AI workflows. I have this beautiful structure consisting of different models, monetization, 40+ lessons, different kind of workflows, 5 creator paths to choose from. So you just choose your path right from the beginning, so you understand where you go, where you move, what you are building, where you're aiming. Then you go to foundations to understand how these workflows work, how all these nodes are connected, interconnected, all the logic step by step. You also learn how to automate all these workflows, how system prompts work. You have all these consistency lessons on products, on characters. Also, I break down my commercial AI project, so you'll see the logic, see the process, how AI commercial is created. Very important part, monetization and pricing, how you price your products, how you price AI workflows, how to sell them. You get all the scripts, you have different strategies to sell. You have included also different packages on AI services, including multiple packages, not only AI visuals, but as I mentioned, also AI workflows. You get all these workflows for free so that you can use them, also you can refine them, sell them, and also we have weekly calls and personal feedback from myself. So if you want to learn and master it, join RedFlame portal now, because the price right now is the lowest. Eventually it will go up.